So most of my friends think lawyers are in trouble. I really don't think that we're going to be as in trouble as all the lawyers believe. We are all using AI now, whether we want to or not, whether we agree with the technology or not, because it's embedded in so many things, including legal research. So it's fascinating how legal research has evolved over the years. And it's because these legal research programs are using AI to an extent. But the person controls the AI. While there are some tasks that AI conceivably do quicker than a person, like, oh, we just received 35,000 pages. Please highlight every time it says distortion or whatever word you're looking for. Sure, that's going to help us out and it's going to cut down, but machines make mistakes, and the mistakes are the headaches of the attorney, especially if your name is on that door like mine is. So you're still going to need to double check things. Also, categorizing documents is important, not important. AI is just not there yet. It may get there eventually. I do think that the younger generation may suffer because what happens when you initially become an attorney? You're doing basic work, of course, and that basic work may disappear. It may be more difficult for the younger generation to get real training and to be given a real shot